Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Sister Maribik. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Stay pretty and long life. Always stay happy, ha? Andito lang kami. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hello, Nay. Birthday mo daw. So, happy birthday sa'yo. Na-miss ko na kayo. Sana nadyan ako para mag-celebrate ng birthday ninyo. But, kung malayo man, ito yung wish ko para sa inyo. Sana marami pa kayong birthday na ma-celebrate. Happy and wealthy yung life, ang love life. At ganun din, palaging happy ang Vosotros family. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay active po sa church. Miss ko na kayo and hope to see you soon. Happy birthday po ulit. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Manay B. Wish you a good health and long life. God bless you. Love you.
Hoy, nanay! Happy birthday po! Miss ko po kayo. Sana masayang masaya ang birthday po ninyo at sana makikita tayo ulit. Happy birthday!
Hello po, Nanay.
Happy birthday
po. Mahal po namin kayo. God bless. We love you. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Hi, Nay! Good morning! Sorry, kakagising ko lang talaga. So, medyo nakalimutan ko talaga to. So, medyo napagod lang ako kanina sa ginagawa ko. But anyway, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. A very special person who become like a mother to me during my missionary days. Nay, I am always grateful for your love, kindness, and care, and the way you welcome and treat me like your own child po. Inalagaan niyo po ako as a missionary. And thank you po na naging part po kayo sa buhay ko po. You became one of the people who made my missionary experience more meaningful and memorable po. On your special day, I pray that the Lord will continue to bless you with good health, happiness, strength, and many more wonderful, wonderful years to come. Thank you for being a loving mother figure to me. Happy birthday, Nay. I love you po, and I appreciate you so much. May your day be filled with love and joy po. Happy birthday po, Nay.
Happy birthday, Lola B. We wish you a long life. Bye-bye. 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 Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nanay Vosotros. We wish you po a happy birthday. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa mga tulong ninyo sa mga missionaries, sa lahat ng missionaries na na-assign dyan sa Kapas. Ito po pala anak ko, si Ethan, yung bunso namin. Oh. Again po, happy birthday po, and na-miss po namin kayo. Wish namin kayo masayang kaarawan.
Happy birthday, Ate Big. Enjoy your birthday. Love and miss you. Happy birthday, Tita Big. We love you. Happy birthday, Tita Vic. God bless you. Happy.